I love sex. I love my body. I love the feelings that I can.
Wow. I'm just going to stop you right. I'm going to get in trouble for interrupting you, but I love my body.
Yes.
How old were you when you didn't love your body?
Look, I mean, every day is, I'm not going to sit here and tell you like every day I love it, because obviously your quote unquote, your body can encompass a lot of different things. But I have become comfortable with my body probably in the last 4 years would probably be what I would say. And I mean, like, love it in a way that I love how it makes me feel. I love discovering new aspects of what pleases me and what feels good and sharing it with other people as well. I like doing that. Yeah.